In last week's video, you saw me start creating the tiny home garden, and what I realized is this is not going to be a quick project. To make a really nice garden, it takes years for the plants to grow, and I've already spent like over £1,000 on plants, which, by the way, no one ever told me how expensive Acer trees are. So the one that I wanted, it cost, I don't even want to say how much, and then the tree fern that I bought, that was like a good 300 quid, and it's all adding up, especially ferns. Ferns, these little plants that you see everywhere, they're like between 5 and 10 quid each, and I'm going to need a lot of them for the look that I want here. Now, the problem with the tiny home garden is it is in the shade a lot, which means I'm kind of limited on the plants I can get. And from what I've researched, ferns really like being in the shade, and because the tiny home is on a hill, there's areas where the water runs to and it gets damp, which is actually good for ferns. Now in this video I'm going to be installing all the lighting, and from my experience when it comes to building houses and interior design, the lighting is one of the most important things. It kind of sets the whole feel of a house, and I've never done lighting like this in a garden, so this is going to be an interesting one. Now, something that's very important to just say in this video is this is a different style of video that I want to create. You see, I've done these big transformation videos, and to be honest, I've achieved way more on YouTube than I ever thought I would, getting 100,000 subscribers and getting the plaque, getting a video that is just about to hit 8 million views. It's made over £43,000 now. And then I got another video that did 3 million and that made over £20,000. It's insane. The problem with that though is I'm not really doing any projects at the moment. Like, my entire week is focused on the stock market. We are living in one of the most insane times I've ever, I don't think we're going to get a moment like this again, to be honest. For those of you who don't read my weekly newsletter, I've never seen more opportunities in a market than I'm seeing right now. It's like Nebius. I wrote a newsletter on that like a month ago, a deep dive, and why I'm investing in it. It's up 37% in a month. 37%. That means if you only invested 10 grand, you'd be up 3,700. If you had 100 grand in, you're up 37 grand in a month. And a lot of people who read my newsletter bought it, and they were celebrating when it went up 20%. And I said, no, I'm not selling, and this story's not over. And then it went up another 20%. I've never seen anything like this, and if you're not reading my weekly newsletter, it's never too late to start. There's an archive of over 120 newsletters that have helped thousands of people now, and the proof is in the pudding, really. My portfolio's return in 2025 was 71%. You can go and read the dated newsletter where I was talking about Nebius. You can go read about Rocket Lab, which is up over 100% since I wrote about it. And there's a lot of other names in there which you're going to find really interesting. One of which is a company that I have more money invested in than I have in property. And the daily moves, like the price swings, because it's a high beta stock, can be a lot more than the UK average salary in a day. Sometimes it makes me feel incredibly unwell, but the thesis has already played true. Like, to be up over 100% since my initial investment is crazy. And I mean, 2025 was the most amount of money I've ever made in my life. And 2026, I mean, it's already been insane, and it's only just really started. So search Have Some Vision on Substack, or click the link in the description and start reading. And I do just want to say a massive thank you to everybody who has subscribed and is reading my newsletter. Because of you, I am now in the top 100 bestsellers in the business category, which is something that I never thought would ever be slightly possible. Like, I'm 98th on Substack, and there is millions of people using it every single month. And just remember, I failed school. I didn't do English at school. I didn't like writing. And now part of what I do for a living is writing. And it's because the content of what I'm writing about interests me. And I think that was part of my problem at school. Okay, I don't know how to say this politely. The people around me were interested in getting a job, whereas I was extremely interested in getting as far away from having a job as possible. But all I ever wanted was a tiny home in a beautiful area, no debt, enough money to do whatever I want to do, location freedom, time freedom, and for everyone that I care about to be healthy. That's literally it. And I've got that. And I achieved that at 27 years old. It's insane. But anyway, what should we talk about? Oh yeah, the lighting. So it's this system called a Lumiere. And it's kind of like one of those plug and play systems where it comes with the transformer, the T-junctions, and you can put up to 18 lights on a system. And yes, I am bodging those in the ground lights into wall lights because I'm going to be honest with you. I just couldn't be bothered to then set up a second ring going around the garden for all of that. And I just wanted to do it all in one, which, is that the right thing to do? Well, I've done it. It works, looks nice, and it's all on the same photovoltaic timer. So when it gets dark, the lights automatically come on, and I set it to staying on for 4 hours, which is perfect for me. It does have a 6-hour setting, so if you want the lights to stay on for longer, but I don't need that. And also, I thought I'd filmed more this week, but that's all I actually have footage of. So this is going to be a shorter video. And actually, since I filmed the voiceover earlier, I'm actually now 95th in the top 100 bestsellers in the business category. Like, it's insane what is happening right now. I said it in last week's video. You really need to get on Substack. The growth is insane. Just look up on Google Trends how many people are going there. I've had like 100,000 views on my Substack in the last week. I've never had that before. So go start it. And if you're worried that nobody's going to read your newsletter, I will be your first reader. Just send me a message on Instagram and I'll check it out. And if I really like it, I'll put it on my Instagram story, and then 140,000 people, if they're interested in what you write about, will click on it. Nobody ever shouted me out, and I'm giving you the opportunity to get shouted out. So seriously, go for it.